Welcome back to social science class. We have learned about Renaissance in literature, arts and science. Now let's study about Reformation. Let's study about the Reformation. Renaissance ideas influenced in religious aspects. What is Reformation? The refinement. Refinement means new changes. Underwent by the European Christianity in the 16th century is known as the Reformation. So children, in the 16th century, new changes happened in the European Christianity. This is known as Reformation. Martin Luther led to the Reformation and it began in Germany. Let's discuss in search of sea routes. We have learned that the Turks conquered Constantinople. So what happened, the trade relation between Asia and Europe became collapsed. It necessitated the European traders to discover new sea routes to Asia. The invention of the compass and the spirit of adventure uncovered unknown routes, oceans and continents. So children, whenever we talk about finding a new sea route, the first name come to our mind is Vasco da Gama. He was a Portuguese navigator and along with the sailors, he found a new sea route from Portuguese to Cape near Calicut. Now we will study the last topic of this chapter, that is Industrial Revolution. The Renaissance in the field of science led to the invention of new machine which brought great changes in the field of production. With the help of new made machines, productions increased. If production increases, normally what will happen? The cost of production decreases. Such changes in the field of production is known as Industrial Revolution. It began in England. Due to this, a great changes happened in the field of industry and trade. Let's have a look on important inventions during the Industrial Revolution. First one, flying shuttle. Flying shuttle was invented by John Kay. Spinning jenny by James Hargreaves. Steam engine by James Watt. And locomotive by George Stephenson. These are the famous inventions and scientists by during the Industrial Revolutions. So children, how did the scientific invention influence the system of production? We have already discussed the inventions of new machines which brought great changes in the field of production so that production increases and the cost of production decreased. This way, the scientific invention influenced the system of production. Let's have a quick review of the chapter. This chapter was divided into 7 main divisions. First one, Renaissance. Second one, Renaissance in literature. Third one, Renaissance in arts. Fourth one, Renaissance in science. Fifth one, the Reformation. Sixth one, in search of sea route. And the seventh, Industrial Revolution. So, these are the important topics we discussed from this chapter. With this, we conclude the first chapter, that is Europe in Transition. Hope you all clearly understood the concepts well. Thank you for being with me.